So today I am making unicorn soaps. I made some the other day. I made 24 and I sold out in 24 hours. So I'm making another batch. I bought 60 more, so hopefully that'll get me covered. Okay, let me rinse out my lye water. So if you want to know basic soap making, check out my How to Make Soap for Beginners e-course. But I just poured my lye and my water into my oils. I'm going to blend it to trace. And I'll be honest, I've never soaped this cool before, so that came to a quick trace. I'm going to add my fragrance, which is fresh fruit slices from Nature's Garden. It smells super yummy. I've never used this fragrance before either. So, we'll see. Okay, so I have, over here, I have my 24, whatchamacallits, cupcake, silicone cupcake holders. But here's what I'm doing. I need to separate this out because I need to measure it. So each of those holds 2 ounces. So I need to weigh out 48 ounces. And, whoops, okay. Just a tad too much. Okay, so that's 48 ounces. And this is going to be way too much batter to pipe. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, I'll just adapt and overcome. I did not measure that right. How did I misfigure that so much? I'm not sure. Oh, I know what I did. Oh, shoot. So I went by... Okay, so when I figured it, I went by oil weight and not finished soap and water. Water, lye, oils all mixed together weight is what I did. That is how I miscalculated. Okay, that's fine. It's not that big of a deal. I will just use it in something else. So, that's fine. All right, so let me get a couple of spoons here. So this is going to be my white. And this is going to be my blue. I'm going to make it blue on the bottom so that they look like they're swimming. Okay, I might just do a little bit more. Okay, so I'm mixing my white first. Blue. Okay. Scrape down the edges. Pretty good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get these situated. So my last time oh boy, this is still gonna be a problem, isn't it? All right, so let's clear off some of my stuff here, because I'm going to have to turn it like this. Okay, so you guys won't be able to see every single one, but I need to give myself enough space to get in between. So probably what I'll do is, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll just have to see how it goes as I'm going along. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these bang out some of the holes. I'm going to let these sit for probably 10-15 minutes while my white is setting up, while my white gets thick. And then I'm going to pipe the white on the top. Okay? So I think that will be great. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just filled my cup with piping. Now, take some of my amazing soap sprinkles and sprinkle them on there. You can get these soap sprinkles down in the description below. I've made these soap sprinkles so that they're good for soap. Also, you can get my recipe in the description below, and where I buy my lye in the description below. And let's see, my How to Make Soap for Beginners e-course in the description below. So you can get all those good things down in the description below. I'm loving how these turned out, so cute. There we go. We're going to let these sit for 24 hours before I unmold them. Super cute, even if I do say so myself. I'm loving these little guys. We'll be back in 24 hours and unmold them. I'm doing that. I'll tell you about my tragic news today.
Steak and cheese pizza. It is fairly tragic for Tara, but...
99 Cookbook, page 218 was today's pizza, and it is free shipping. Alright, you guys see what I got here? Look what I have here.
Oh, people were just loving that earlier.
Looking at this.
Wait, can you use the multi-soap cutter today?
Yes.
Yay!
I made another batch. Now, how am I going to do this? Oh boy, we have a problem. So, I got a bigger tray.
We don't have a garlic white sauce recipe, do we?
No, I should put that in the new book, shouldn't I?
We were thinking about finding one and making a post and putting it in the book.
Yeah,
I love
by the way,
garlic sauces.
Guess what this is, guys?
Woohoo!
I'm going to talk about that in just a minute, too. All right,
you gotta get them off the hook about your problem. Though.
Look at the little unicorns.
Oh,
I have to have
cute?
something to be happy about first. And the little unicorns are something to be happy about. Aren't they cute?
Yes.
Okay, so I put more back on my Etsy store.
Amy!
Because I sold out in like 24 hours. You guys went crazy over my unicorn soaps. There you go. Aren't they cute?
They look ugly. Not ours.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Dave.
I'm just kidding. I'm the one who did the photography.
Doesn't that look like they're swimming in the tub?
Yeah, it kind of does. Oh, they're bathing little unicorns.
I should get half of the money because the picture is what sells it.
Oh, Jamie says you guys can also make these in more of a pizza pocket style and freeze them for kids to cook on their own. She says I pre-bake them and then freeze them.
Yeah.
Somebody was asking how do they not get freezer burned. If you just put them in...
You wrap them in saran wrap and then put them in a freezer bag. And if you want to freeze homemade dough, then just do the same thing. Just after the first you don't have to do it after the first rising, but you need to let it rise.
Missy wants to know how long does that cook for?
About 15 to 20 minutes, I think. I can't remember.
And Nancy likes spinach and feta cheese pizza. That sounds amazing. I'm going to reshare the recipe again here. It says easy homemade pizza recipe and tips on what I'm sharing.
So there's my little unicorns. What do you guys think? Are you loving them? Are you loving them? I think they're so cute.
I'm loving them. You're going to save one for me, right?
No.
I can't have a unicorn soap?
No, I'll show you what you can have. I got a manly soap for you. Okay,
unicorns
so there's
aren't
the
manly?
unicorns. No, they're not. I don't know. So these are my manly
Although you would think
soaps.
he was you would think he was a firstborn if you heard him at school.
All right, there's my manly.
That smells really good.
Bonfire gun soaps. I had to make more up of these.